In this week's Fresh Produce Market Overview, we saw significant price increases for potatoes and tomatoes on the markets, and then we also take a longer-term outlook on where prices might head over the next 3 months or so. All in this week's episode, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi, I'm Johnny van der Merwe and welcome to this week's AMT Fresh Produce Market Outlook. To get the latest information, you can follow us on YouTube by clicking the subscribe button. We also have popular WhatsApp groups where we share additional information every week. You can find the link to these groups on AMT's Facebook page. The rand gained some momentum over the start of this week and strengthened to 17.79 rand per US dollar. The Brent crude oil price continued to trend upwards over the last week, with the latest price on $98 per barrel, which was mostly due to low supply from OPEC that reduced production from the start of November. Looking at the latest trends in the vegetable markets, the average potato price increased by 28% the past week to 45.25 rand per 10 kg. The average Class 1 price increased to 46.77 rand, while the Class 1 large medium mondial price increased to 68 rand per 10 kg bag on Nile.ag. I think that the higher price is only temporary, with high volumes and lower demand that can likely keep prices on a lower level over the next 3 months or so. Tomato prices also increased by 42% to 10.16 rand per kilogram, mostly due to lower volumes and higher demand last week. The expectation is that prices can increase further in December when demand improves and there is slightly less volumes on the markets as well, mostly due to logistical issues. The Class 1 price also increased to 11.01 rand last week. Carrot prices decreased to 4.54 rand last week, which can be ascribed to higher volumes on the markets. The Class 1 price decreased to 4.66 rand, while Nile.ag's Class 1 large price traded slightly lower on 51 rand per 10 kg. Although prices can decrease slightly in November, we are expecting significantly higher prices in December again when demand usually improves. The latest onion price increased to 9.97 rand, which is 240% higher than a year ago. White onion prices traded almost 300% higher than a year ago, while brown onion prices is now 223% higher. The red onion price, however, is 26% lower compared to last year this time. The Class 1 price increased to 10.22 rand, while the Class 1 large medium white onion price increased to 125 rand per 10 kg on Nile.ag. We are still expecting prices to stay on a high level over the next 2 months, mostly due to limited supply on the markets. Looking at other vegetable prices, the latest cabbage price decreased to 2.81 rand, garlic prices decreased to 42.45 rand, spinach prices increased to 2.19 rand, while sweet potato prices increased to 3.90 rand. Pepper prices decreased slightly to 15.10 rand, which was mostly due to lower red and yellow pepper varieties over the past 2 weeks. Green pepper prices, however, increased over this period. Pumpkin prices increased by 7% to 3.06 rand per kilogram. This broadcast is made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag, Halfway Toyota and Zimmatic. Nile's online market makes it possible to order directly from South Africa's leading producers. Producers get the benefit of better price transparency, lower commissions and faster payments. Learn more about Nile on their website www.nile.ag. Also contact Andrew and his excellent team at Halfway Toyota for the best price and service in the country for the Toyota of your choice. Fruit had a mostly green week on the markets, with most prices increasing the past week. The banana price increased by 8% to 6.38 rand. The Class 1 banana price increased to 7.04 rand, while the Class 1 large hand variety price stayed on 135 rand per 18 kg box on Nile.ag. We are currently closely following the price trends of 2019 and is expecting higher prices over the next 3 months due to lower expected volumes. Apple prices increased to R8.05 with a Class 1 price on R8.84, while the latest pear price increased to R7.31 per kilogram and will likely continue to trend upward over the rest of this year. The orange price remained in an upward trend due to lower volumes, increasing by 9% last week to R4.75, while the Class 1 orange price increased to R4.89. Orange prices are likely to increase over the next few months due to lower volumes available on the markets locally. The latest lemon price increased by 4% to R4.13 last week. Last week, the avocado price increased by 16% to R20.11, while the average Class 1 avo price traded on R20.84. The expectation is that the average price can trade closer to R40 during January next year due to limited availability in our local markets. Table grape prices stayed on R88.21, while the latest pineapple price increased by 7% to R9.70. Blueberry prices, however, decreased by 7% to R21.41 last week, which is about 10% lower compared to last year this time. Zimmatic irrigation systems are built to last, from industry-leading durability and strength to innovative enhancements and advanced technology. Every product is designed to be a part of a custom and flexible solution that will best support you and your field. This broadcast was made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag, Toyota and Zimmatic. I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe and thank you for watching.